foul counted po.
Dalawa yung okay lang sana yung tapos.
White first green. Ball for third. Ayan, si Danilo.
Masabay rin kayo sa ano?
Oh, traveling. Dapat bilisan eh. Pare, konti pa nga break. Tama po tayo na 10, okay na.
Walat!
Manat lang!
Ako guys! Ito takbo!
Wala na, natatakbo si Leto.
Kalat!
Kalat! 3, 4!
Kalat!
Oh, takbo! 3! Ay! Third na nga lang eh.
Dalawa kalat lang, kabila kalat lang. Oh, kuha.
Wow, bigay kay Julius. Ay na! Libre, ang tagal. Ay! Apat kayo, ang tagal. Apat kayo. Apat kayo. Ba't tayo yung pinamigay? Ikot bola, ikot bola. Bigay, pare. Hindi mo lulubat dyan. Ubusin natin yan. Buwang ko lahat yung ginawa mo.
Magal na yung ano.
Medyo may paya po natin ba na
Tara.
Anim, 5. Ang ulit na, John. Pag-video niya ba ako?
Okay naman. Para surrender na kayo. Surrender na. Surrender na. Kalintahan na. Bigay, bigay! Puta, binigay niya sa kalaban. Parang nga, bigay mo kakampi natin sa kalaban. Sabi ko, bigay pare, binigay sa kalaban.
Mag-exhibition niya kasi.
Exhibition. Oh pare, ba't nakawas ka? Pagod na. Ayun, nahapo na si... Nangungutla ka pare. Ha? Lagi, ba't nangungutla ka? Ay, puta taas! Idol si JC, pre. Balta mo na nagsisui siya, ano? Mamalit ka, wala sentro, walang rebounder, oh. Kinakayan-kaya na tayo ni Torres. Oh, solo! Yun! Good! Walang tawa yung rep! Twenty-four seconds. Ilan time out pa tayo? Ilan pa time out natin?
Inside that number 16. Give it an hour and one goal there. We go for now number 10. Down to 12 seconds. 10 down, shot clock. Rochester.
Wala na. Sira na ang diskarte niya. Number 51, 54, 56 seconds remaining, big line, third quarter. 50 to 58. Quarter two. Back now, keep on the play. Inside pass to number 7. Back now, number 29. Left side. Good ball. Back now, number 10. Looking out for the field again. Number 2, moving down. Number 2. Dapat ganun ka lang, Arnel! Binounce mo na lang!
Number 16 will be forward stepping on number 16 with the number 29. Lead the ball, back now number 2. One goal for now, 15 goal line, top back. Magandang Manila, instead of an lagi for the fourth quarter.
Pre, Palia Traveling! Nakita Traveling! Samsama niyo! Sama-sama rin! Samsama niyo! Huwag niyo Traveling! Oh! Okay, Traveling! Baldak! Ano yan, pare? Swimming? Anong tawag? Double foul! Ano nangyari niya? Hindi ko nakuha? Ay, hindi ko nakuha. Oo, nakahiga na eh, no, pre? Ano lang ang kanya nung nakaraan eh. Sayang, bet umawi pa kasi, no? That is your first personal bell over 10. That's your first team bell. That's your number 29, 62, 50, 34. 98. Gusto mo sa kanya sa total beginning number 29 di bar. And on the jersey number 15, from beyond the arc to the center of the league, and all that from beyond the arc, sliding down. Every couple of years, I will look at this. Another way down for the league. We pass it to us. We got Naki. Naki passes it on our set for the number back. Number 39. And was the one. One zero on the Naki. On it. They go up to the number 13. Passing down for the league. Sliding down. And going down. Back to you!
Personal foul, second team foul, first goal out is on number 12. This is a goal 54 to 63. We have number 7. Back now to the number 29 ahead. Six lines to play. Back there, Whiskey back to the number 5 for the steady ball. Hinahanap si Manaki. Eto, hindi stopping. Fair play. Hitler, nabalik. Nasa lahat si Walking number 3. That was number 1. Eto, 1-1. Out of bounds in number 21.
Eto, 6 minutes and 37 seconds. Eto, Kibama, play, push the ball, negative, Sabi, Katagola, Mr. Kulera, Iwan,
Tatlong pagkakataon. Walang nadali. Pare-pareha sila nag-aapura.
Outside shooting. Ilang kabilang yan sa ikaw.
15 seconds. 70 seconds shot clock. All right, going forward.
Ano, malamig na sir. Hindi na sendo na yun. Magical shot. Tap kita na.
Keep ball. He said 40 seconds. That's the point. Keep ball and keep ball real. Press 14 on the top marker. Keep down it. Keep the one people. Number 7.
Ikot na lang, ikot.
2 minutes na, may pateko ko. Yarki, pag rin ang papatay ng sarili na. Lamang sila ng nonsense. May isang minuto na lang.
Gusto pa niya madagdagan yung kanyang points eh. Gusto pa niya madagdagan yung points.
Siya na ng MVP.
Plus 1. MVP plus 1.
Press mo na lang yung bola. Papu.
Wala na. Binigay.
Dapat kami nagkakat yan eh.
7 seconds shot clock. Heat count. Elbow injury. Don't like to reset. We go to the Guarino. Guarino over to the number 51. 1 minute left. Sliding down. Ball play. Missile.
Pa, 1 minute 30 seconds na lang. 78, 67. Pagtad-tad na yan.